Here's how to check if your router supports Wi-Fi 7 or not. Now, the important thing here is that you use a laptop or PC device so that you can check your router. Go to the control panel items option, and then from the control panel on your laptop or PC, go ahead and click on the network and sharing center. Once you click on the Network and Sharing Center, you will be able to see an option there where is the Wi-Fi. From the Wi-Fi, you will be able to see there the network that you're currently connected with. Now what you need to do is to press on that. After pressing on that, you will see there the General Advanced Driver Details and Events option. Now go to the Advanced option and make sure that you are going to press on wireless mode. Afterwards, you will be redirected to the tip link of the router that you have, and you will see there the channel width, channel, and mode. From the mode, you will see there if your Wi-Fi router is actually supporting Wi-Fi 7.